welcome to Stelbot Adventures. We are pulling into San Juan, Puerto Rico right now. So guess where we're going to be exploring today?
And I think we're being followed by Holland America over there. But we're going to get to port first.
I booked an excursion through Princess Cruise Lines. It was a half-day guided walking tour of Old San Juan, which took us on a historical tour of the oldest Spanish fort in the New World.
This is Castillo, San Felipe del Morro. Okay? Morro is a Spanish word that have two meanings. One is military, the other is common. Okay? The military one is a hill, a mountain in the shape of a triangle that look into the ocean or into a river or a curve of water. Okay? That is Morro. Morro, in the common way of talk, is the face of the bull. That is a morro, the face of a bull. And if you look at Morro from an aerial photo from a drone, you can see they look like a face of a bull. Right here, el morro, the trunk of the bull, the ears, and the eyes.
The Castillo San Felipe del Morro is located at the entrance to the Bay of San Juan and consists of 6 levels. At one point, it had the reputation of being unconquerable and was the most feared Spanish colonial fort. There were several garritas where the Spaniards stood guard. You could walk into these garritas and enjoy a bit of shade, a breeze, and beautiful views of the bay. I felt like a kid playing on an oversized playground. There were so many nooks and crannies to discover. In 1898, during the Spanish-American War, Puerto Rico became under U.S. control. As a result, El Morro was used by the U.S. as a military outpost during both the First and Second World Wars. In 1961, El Morro became part of the National Park Service, and in 1983 became a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Most daily life activities took place in the main plaza. You can take a self-guided tour of the casemates and see the kitchen, chapel, officer barracks, and soldier quarters. There are informational signs throughout the Castillo that describe what the rooms used to be. Each level was designed for a specific purpose. Level 6, the highest level, was for land defense and included a blue lighthouse. Level 4 was home for the main firing battery and cannon platforms. Level 3, which we just saw, was the troop quarters and the kitchen. And Level 2 held the original tower. After the tour of El Morro, we continued walking to the heart of Old San Juan. We stopped at the Plazuela de Rogativa, which offers 180-degree views of San Juan Bay. We then walked through the Puerta de San Juan, the remaining gate to the city of San Juan. At 16 feet tall and 20 feet thick, this gate has served as both the formal and symbolic entrance to Old San Juan since 1635. Continuing up Calle Caleta de San Juan to the Plaza de la Catedral, we stopped to admire the Hotel El Convento, a former convent turned upscale hotel. We entered the Catedral Basilica Menor de San Juan Bautista, which is the second oldest cathedral in the Americas. Home to the tomb of Ponce de Leon, this building dates back to 1521. Spanish sailors are said to have entered San Juan through the Puerta de San Juan and immediately came to the cathedral to give thanks for a safe voyage. With the tour of Old San Juan complete, I needed to take a selfie at Paseo de Sombrillas before finding my way back to the port.
Thank you for joining Stelbot Adventures here in Puerto Rico. Hope you enjoyed coming along with us today for a historical walking tour. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below letting us know if you've been to Puerto Rico before and if you have, your favorite place to visit. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and we'll see you on the next adventure.